Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play in Sims 4. First, dive into Create a Sim to craft your unique character. You can customize everything from their appearance to their personality, choosing aspirations and traits that shape their life. Once your sim is ready, select a starting lot or move into an existing home in one of the vibrant neighborhoods. This initial setup is crucial for beginning your Sim's story. Next, it's time to design your Sim's living space using build mode. You can construct walls, add roofs, and paint surfaces to create the perfect structure. Then, furnish each room with a wide variety of objects, from cozy sofas to functional appliances, reflecting your Sim's unique style. As your Sim earns more simoleons, you can expand and upgrade their home. Now, let's manage your Sim's daily life. Keep an eye on their needs, ensuring they eat, sleep, and socialize to stay happy. Encourage them to develop skills like cooking, painting, or logic through consistent practice. Guide them through careers or hobbies to earn simoleons and achieve their aspirations. Every decision you make influences their well-being and success. Finally, explore the vast world of Sims 4. Visit different neighborhoods, meet new Sims, and build relationships. Consider adding gameplay packs to introduce new features, worlds, and stories, like pets or university life. Engage in unique events and challenges that pop up, keeping your gameplay fresh and exciting for hundreds of hours. The possibilities are truly endless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.